This is Nellie Deutsch, and today I'm going to show you how to fix an error that you may have gotten when you upgraded to Moodle 3.11. Now, there are a few things that you will have to make sure that you have in your PHP enabled. So let me get you started so that you can see the error. So first of all, I'm using Edwiser and the theme is RemUI. Going to go into the admin and then into upgrade. I've already upgraded this one to the latest Moodle, so it doesn't matter. I don't need to upgrade it again for you to see the error. All I need to do is install plugins and the error will appear. So let's add a plugin so I can show you what error I'm referring to. The name of the plugin is Podcast or PCast. You can create podcasts directly from your Moodle, so let's take a look at that. Going to add it to this particular Moodle site by clicking on install. You can also download it and install it that way. Going to click on install. Notice it's available for 3.11. Choose my site here, which is IT for All. IT for All is really an old site. It was created in 2006. It's gone through a lot of changes as well as a name change. So here we are. Notice this is the error that I get. Max input vars. It needs to be changed to, and it should say here, 5,000. You can't really see it here, but I'll show it to you from another area. Recommendation is at least 5,000. Let me fix it and reload the page. So let me go into my cPanel. Going to go into this editor here, multi-PHP INI editor. Click on it. Again, it's multi-PHP INI editor. Then I'm going to go into basic mode over here and open the directory over here. So let's do that and go into integrating technology. Scroll down and notice what's available. Max input vars. Right now it's 1,000 and you think 1,000 would be okay because it said at least 5,000, but I'm going to make it 5,000 because that seems to have fixed the error. Next, don't forget to apply or it's not going to work. This is for the cPanel. Click on that. Now I'm going to go back to my checks and reload the page. And notice what happens. The error is gone. Let me know if you have any questions about this. There are other things that you need to add in order to upgrade to 3.11, such as sodium and other things. So if you haven't followed my videos, subscribe and ask questions anywhere. On any video, I'll be happy to help, regardless of whether it's connected to that particular video or not. Always there for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day. But before I go, let's continue with this so you get a chance to see what creating podcasts on your Moodle is all about. So we're going to go on. Notice there's also this install. So while I'm here, I might as well do both. Notice make sure that nothing is in its maturity state. That's dangerous. And be aware, make sure that you keep tabs of what plugins you've upgraded or installed in case there are discrepancies and you find things not working as they should. So here we are. Always be patient too when you're upgrading. It may take some time. So no need to worry. It always gets done in the end work. That's it. Have a great day and happy moodling.